I do not drink any soda, but I am obsessed with fruit juices, especially the Naked Green machine. I love it. It reminds me of one of my favorite childhood drinks that I used to have my mom make. And I figured why not make my own drink using ingredients that I know and just play around with it. This right here is a nutritional powerhouse and you do not want to miss out on it. My name is Mansa and you are welcome to my kitchen. Alright friends, so the first ingredient I'm going to be using today is some fresh kale, which has been nicely washed. And kale is rich in vitamins A, K, and C. It has great antioxidants, rich in iron, and also research shows that it can help lower your cholesterol. This is one of the most nutritious leafy vegetables you can have. It is a powerhouse on its own. But what is some kale without some good old spinach? So here I also got some spinach. Usually I would have the same quantity of spinach and kale, but this was all I had in my refrigerator and I'm making the best out of it. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and it's also known to improve vision health, which means it's great for your eyes, packed with vitamins as well. These two is a must-have in this recipe. Next, I have here some fresh mint leaves. Mint is known for its cooling and refreshing properties. I put this in my tea and in most of my natural drinks. It is great for sinus relief. It is packed with vitamin A and also contains some iron. I like the taste of it. It is very delicious. And the stems right there, you want to put all of it because most of the taste is right in there. Next, we're going to use some fresh oranges. We all know that is packed with vitamin C. It is one of the go-to fruits to boost your immune system, and it's also known for improving skin health. Right here, you guys know I cannot make any fruit juice without some ginger. It has some strong medicinal properties, antioxidants. It is one of those ingredients that is usually incorporated for weight loss, and it also helps with nausea relief as well. Here, for somebody that grew up in Africa, you know mango is a tropical fruit, so I grew up eating a lot of mangoes, different types of mangoes. They are very high in fiber, which makes it great for your digestive health. It is packed with vitamins A and C as well. So I am using this mango and it's ripe. I like the mangoes that I get from Aldi, by the way, if you're in the United States. And of course, who does not like apples? They are high in fiber, great for digestion, and also very rich in vitamins. These ingredients right here, guys, cannot be complete without a pineapple. And here I have a whole ripe pineapple. It is so ripe I could literally smell the sweetness out of it. I'm not going to be using the whole pineapple, by the way, just half of it. So here is my spread. Let's get into it. I am only using some of the mango. I will save some of it for my baby. She just likes to munch on it. I just slice it up and let her eat it. She loves it. So yeah, I'm not even peeling it because I'm juicing, so my juicer will take care of all the pulp. And please do not put the seed of the mango in your juicer. It is going to ruin it. It is so hard. And here I'm going to just prep my pineapples. Again, I'm not using the whole pineapple, just half of it because it's really big. And guys, I am saving the peels, the back of the pineapple, to add in my other fruit juice that I'm going to share with you. So into my freezer it goes. Again, I am only using half of the pineapple because it's really big. Now I have all of my ingredients prepped and let's get juicing. And if this is your first time tuning into this channel, you are highly welcome. please feel free to look around. You might see a thing or two that you might like on this channel, and then you can go ahead and subscribe, join the Mansa team, and while you're at it, hit on that notification bell. That way you would not miss out any of my future uploads. To my returning subscribers, you guys already know I love you. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. By the way, I have a second channel called At Home with Mansa. It's going to pop up on the screen now, and I am also going to have the link in the description box. That is where I'm going to be sharing all my future uploads on shopping and organizing and anything that has to do with the home, and also a lot of DIY. So please, if you like that part of my channel as well, please join me on that other team. It is a brand new channel. We're trying to build it. You would love it. And guys, this is what our juice is looking like so far. Can you see the rich green color that we get from the kale and the spinach? I love it. And now comes my favorite part, which is my ginger and some of my apples. Guys, this drink right here, it is so delicious. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with the naked green juice, and this right here is so delicious. And the fact that I made it in the comfort of my house makes it so satisfying and makes me so happy. So yes, all of these ingredients that I just used, I feel like they are a must-have. Now the quantity of how much you would put in each of these might depend on the taste that you're looking for at the end. So I would suggest do a little at a time and then taste it, and then you can bump up the flavors by adding one or more of the ingredients until you reach your desired taste. This is what mine is looking like, as you can see. And when it settles down, all of that foam that's on the top is just going to go away, and you will be left with this very rich, intense green color. Yeah, here it is. I'm ready to put it in my nice glass mason jars. I love it so much. If you guys like these healthy drinks and these healthy tips, let me know in the comment section below. I have a whole ton that I really want to share with you, so let me know. And if you have a friend that you think might like it, feel free to share the link with them on your social media or anywhere shareable, really. Feel free to share. There is joy in sharing. Also, let's chat in the comment section. What kind of fruits and vegetables do you like to incorporate in your diet? It does not matter if you juice it or just eat it. Just let me know what kind of fruits and vegetables you like to incorporate. And I always like to pick up new ideas. I like to learn from you, and I always feel so happy when I read your comments that you guys leave me. So thank you for always giving me feedback. And that taste test right there was the bomb. I really love this. Like I said, this is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, juice. I love it. It is rich and packed with so many vitamins. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Stay safe. I love you all.